Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2026 BMW M340i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Tacora red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Brooklyn Gray Metallic, and I'm just going to hit unlock and pathway lighting, get the full low beam system on there. So let me just do a lap all the way around the car. And once we complete this lap, we can take a closer look at how everything is spec'd. And we can see a bit of that welcome light carpet there. So let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This car originally came out in 2021 as an M color, and now it's on many of our vehicles, including the M340i. And you can see the nice lines coming down on the hood lengthwise. And we've got the BMW Rondell up front and center. One piece high gloss black kidney grille with the honeycombs, and we've got the active grille shutters shut behind there. And down here you can see there are more honeycomb patterns and more active grille shutters behind there. Got some functional air ducts going into the brake ducts and into the intercoolers and oil coolers. And once again, let's get a little welcome light animation on there. Sweet. Now if we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. So we've got all these cool little patterns and designs in there that reflect off the lights that make for a really cool looking headlight. And of course, with the low beams on, I think it looks even better. Now we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake back there. I love how the black and red contrast. Canadian market has the M badge on the fender. We have this cutting body line here that goes up through the doors. And we've got the new style welcome light carpet with the crisscross lighting patterns. We have the black M wing mirror here with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Sunroof up top, black window surrounds, and we have this type of door handle with touch comfort access on all four door handles. Side profile view shows beautiful sports sedan, and we have the new style antenna up top. Black spoiler on the trunk lid. There's your rear 995M wheel with the red M Sport brake. And from the back you can see that we've got the L-shaped tail lights on. This one also has the vertical reflectors on each side. There's your rear diffuser and the freeform exhaust. And don't forget, you can now spec M Performance exhaust from the factory. Since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. I can do a swift kick underneath the middle of the car. We can get this to open up the hands-free way. We have some mats inside of here. Release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. Grocery bag hanger. Little netted area here with your tire inflator kit. Wheel lock key tow hook. Front plate brackets here with a little storage compartment in plastic. There's a button here to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle to have this close the hands-free way. Beautiful. Now on the passenger side, you'll find the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise one click, there's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise one click. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have the Tacora red Sensatec interior with the galvanic window controls and door pull. Harman Kardon sound system. I've got the coral ambient light going on with the door pockets. Let's have a nice look at the Tacora red seats. Center headrest flips up or flips down. Armrest in the center with cup holders. And up top here, we also have the pass-through through the center as well. Now on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, winter mats down here. Whoop, camera. There's also some more vents underneath the front seats. And up top, we've got some reading lights, and we have a handle with coat hanger on each side and the black roof liner. So let's shut this door. We'll open up the front passenger next. We do have the welcome light carpet also on the passenger side. Once this opens up, you'll see that we have a nice door panel in here, Tacora red, unlock, lock, door pull, window switch, ambient light, Harman Kardon, and door pocket. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. Under the thigh extension here. Headrest is also manually adjusted. We have new vent controls, soft touch materials on the dash with stitching, carbon fiber interior trim with iDrive operating system 8.5 on the curved display, cascading ambient light here in the vents. Press that, we have wireless charger, USB-A cup holders, 12-volt plug, iDrive controller, gear selector, and more carbon fiber. And if I lift this up, you'll see that we have a 12-volt plug in here, and there's some gaps on either side so cabling can come out and not get pinched. Illuminated glove box down here. Let's go to the driver's side next. If I approach from the driver door, you'll see that we have welcome light carpet down here, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, unlock lock, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate release down here beside the pocket. We have M aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar once again, and there's a nice shot of the seats there. And here we have the new flat bottom steering wheel with red marker at 12 o'clock, M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching going all the way around. We also have the head-up display here, and this does have the ability to automatic back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. Rear view mirror with the buttons for the garage door openers. There's your sunroof opening. The light turns on with the mirror. And down here, you'll see that we've got your pedals. And here's your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo, 384 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have positive battery terminal, we have negative battery terminal, we have washer fluid. What a beautiful engine bay, and BMWs have 2 latches, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondel, literally just send her down. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And this one is sold, but we can get you another one just like it if you're really keen on this spec. And I think Brooklyn with red interior, red brakes actually goes really well. And the 3 Series is the benchmark for sports sedan, and I don't think that's changed. And this one does have the M Performance exhaust, so why don't we do a remote engine start cold start. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And we'll do 1, 2, 3 again to shut off the remote engine start. And look at that, it gets the active grille shutters to open up because it now needs a little bit of air. So that is pretty sweet. So how do you like this spec with the M Performance exhaust? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Brooklyn gray metallic with the Tacora red interior with the red M Sport brakes. Looks amazing. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.